a long line inside Bank of America. It's a long line. We don't have enough workers. Okay, I guess I tried to pay with the Zelle, but it's not working, so I wanted to pay inside this account. Nation. I'm saying Yoruba Nation local. You tired?
No.
What you call this here? Oh.
much as I can. We'll be sitting in the house.
Maybe you need more protein. You don't even have protein.
Oh, yeah. Okay. You have a good time.
I'm going to have a microphone. All of you speaking, then they will have this here.
Let me know how you get to how it is. I can always show up. Yeah, it's not, it's all day.
I'm going to take my mask out so people can hear what I'm saying.
That's fine.
I'll put it down when I'm talking to you. Hi, please, you wanted to pay into this Yoruba Self-Determination Fund, USA. So they give us this account number to pay into that, yes.
Are you making a deposit?
I'm making it, yeah.
Oh,
I pay with my credit card when
What was it?
I'm paying it with my credit card into that account.
With your credit card?
Yes.
So I would have to do a withdrawal, a cash advance on the credit card.
When you want, yeah.
Okay.
Just today, just to check the account, yeah. That's fine.
So you're using that aid.
Yes,
This one? Oh, this is not a Bank of America account.
what do you mean? It's not Bank of America account?
No. The routing number, that's not our routing number. And the account number, I'm looking it up and nothing pops up.
So it's not from Bank of America, this account?
No.
No?
No. Because our routing number isn't that either.
Even the routing number is not a Bank of American routing.
No. Yeah, I'm not sure who gave this to you, but I'm trying to check the account number and it's wrong also.
Yeah, they give it. See, I still have the same document here. I think the account is the same. From two different people give me this account number.
Yeah.
No?
It's wrong.
So the account doesn't exist
It
here.
doesn't exist. No.
Oh, thank you very much.
No problem.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you. I mean, back in Bank of America, doesn't exist in Bank of America. So it's just to let all Yoruba people know pé gbogbo Yoruba mọ̀ pé account number tó ń gbé síta yẹn account yẹn ò ṣiṣẹ́ o. Account yẹn arúmọjẹ ni o. Thank you. Account arúmọjẹ ni. Ṣẹ́rí Bank of America láti kúrò ń sìn. Ibẹ̀ láti kúrò ń sìn. So bank account number tó ń sọ pé Yoruba Self-Determination yẹn kò kí ń ṣe account gidi. Account tí ò dáa ni. Account arúmọjẹ la account yẹn. So the account is not right. Àkáǹtì yẹn bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ṣe rí gbájú ẹ̀ ni màá fi gbogbo ẹnu sọ gbájú ẹ̀ so mo máa ṣe show lé lórí Bank of America mo ti ń kúrò ń sìn mo fẹ́ káwọn èèyàn rí so I'm just out from Bank of America mo fẹ́ ti rí building wọn lọ́wọ́ yẹn mo fẹ́ kẹ́ wò kẹ́ lè rí building pé I'm coming out from the bank ṣé ti rí o mo ń show yẹn so ẹni tó bá ń parọ́ ní kó mẹ́rin ẹ̀wà ẹ̀rí mo wá mú wá fún gbogbo èèyàn ọmọ Yorùbá Net létí kó pé account number tó ń gbélé yẹn kò ń ṣàkáǹtì fúnlẹ̀ Yorùbá màá ṣàlàyé ẹ̀ lórí fídíò mi tí màá máa ṣe láìpẹ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ náà ẹ ṣé gan.